A year ago, AI could not make this. Look at it. A photorealistic dragon, your own hands gripping the reins, shot like real GoPro footage, and this exact style is pulling 27 million views. This is first-person POV fantasy writing. You're not watching the writer, you are the writer. And it's one of the most immersive things on the platform right now. And the only reason it's possible is how good the newest video models have got, specifically Seedance 2.5, which you'll find on a platform called XMK. This right here is the generator I'm using for the whole video. I'll show you exactly how to make one, start to finish. Let me walk you through it. Quick look at what we're working with. This is XMK, and this is the Seedance 2.5 generator. You drop your prompt in here, hit generate, and it does the rest. I'll come back to it, but I wanted you to see it up front because this is where the magic actually happens. Now the video might be made in Seedance, but the quality starts with the prompt, so we start in Claude, linked in the description. Your first prompt sets Claude up as a strategist for this exact niche, hyper-immersive first-person POV fantasy. The title formula is the whole hook. Paste it in, and pick the concept that gives you that gut reaction, the one you genuinely want to see. All of these prompts are in a Google Doc in my Discord, word for word, so you're not writing any of this from scratch. I went with bonding a newborn dragon over sunken ruins, because a dragon is the fantasy everyone's had, and the ruins give you dramatic scenery to fly through. Now the second prompt, and this is where the magic that makes this niche work, gets built in. It turns Claude into a video prompt engineer, and it produces one detailed paired image and motion prompt for a full continuous shot. Here's the part that matters. The prompt is obsessed with the POV illusion. Gloved hands gripping leather reins in the foreground, mounted on the creature's neck, a GoPro chest cam angle, wide lens, raw realistic footage. That first-person framing, with your own hands in shot, is the entire reason your brain believes it. Lose the hands and it's just a dragon. Keep them and you're in the saddle. And the motion prompt choreographs the whole ride, a plunge off the cliff, skimming the water, bursting up through the clouds, so it's not a static clip, it's a journey with real adrenaline. Now we're back at XMK, and this is where these prompts come to life. Open up the Seedance 2.5 generator, and you can see the whole thing is simple, one box. This niche uses text to video, so you paste your prompt from Claude straight in, right here. Set it to 9:16 for vertical, pick your resolution, and generate. What Seedance 2.5 gives you back is the thing that makes this whole niche work. Photorealistic textures, believable motion, the dragon's scales, the wet stone, the fog, all moving like real footage. This is the leap. Older models made AI dragons look like AI. Seedance 2.5 makes them look filmed, and that realism is the difference between a clip people scroll past and a clip that does 27 million views. Quick word on XMK while we're here, because it's fairly priced for what it is. It's not a subscription, it's a one-time purchase for credits, which is rare. The base pack is under $10, and every tier, all the way up, includes Seedance 2.5. So you're not locked into a monthly bill to make this content, you buy credits once and generate. I'll leave the link in the description and pinned in the comments. The idea and the prompt written in Claude, the visuals brought to life in Seedance 2.5 on XMK, and a fantasy people have had their whole lives delivered from their own eyes. This wasn't possible a year ago. It is now, and barely anyone's making it yet. If you want the exact prompts I used, they're in my community, linked below. And the Seedance 2.5 link is in the description and pinned in the comments if you want to make your first one. Now go build it.